Hi, my name is Lynn with WTI. I chose this set of oil paints because they have all the colors I needed to repair this canvas. As you can see, it's chipped off in various areas, and I need to blend new oil paints with the damaged areas and the good areas. The colors here are so vibrant, easy to blend, and I like the texture of the oils. They're just perfect. There's no heavy odor, and that makes it pleasant to work with. And the texture of the oils pulls together the broken spots of the canvas on the painting with the good areas that are not affected, giving a smooth and permanent repair. That's what I'm looking for, as you can see here. The final result of the painting. And in contrast, you see what I started with. And now I'm very happy with how this turned out because of these oils. I'm happy with the results of these paints, and that's my point of view.